Hi guys, this is lyviaxottv here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I kind of get ready before stream. This is the outfit I'll be wearing for stream. This is the hair I wear to work today. I'm gonna be showing you how I'm not gonna say the perfect makeup for stream, but this is how I do my makeup. I hope you guys learned something or just have fun watching me do makeup or not. But yeah, I hope you guys have fun, and I guess we'll get straight to the video. So starting first, I always do have a mirror with me. I usually do have all my makeup in this bag that I take for work, and then I just literally dump it all over my desk. It's a little messy, but that's okay. I use the mirror that I have here on the right side only to get the little details down, but I like to do my makeup based on what I see on OBS on my camera, because with all the lights going on right now, you can't really see a huge difference, really. For example, with all the lights that are going on right now, it kind of diffuses and gets rid of all that color, and I don't know why it does that, so I look like a clown in real life. I should start doing my makeup now because I work full-time at my main job, my corporate job, whatever. And so that means I stream after work. There's a lot of errands sometimes I have to do, so I'm on a pinch and I need to start doing my makeup because stream starts in about 30 minutes. And as you can tell, I'm not ready. Depending how I feel that day, it depends what I want to wear for makeup. So right now I am putting some Power Grip primer, since once again I have all these lights in front of me, behind me, and around the room. My room does get a little bit warm. Sorry, I'm trying to do this quickly. My room does get a little bit warm, so that means makeup melts off of my face. I am using the e.l.f. Flawless Satin foundation in color Buff, and then I just basically just put it on my face. Oh god, oh god, oh god, I forgot the most crucial part. Hide my hair out of the way. There we go. There we go. Because my hair can get in the way sometimes. And like, you don't have to do makeup for stream. You honestly don't want to. But I like to, I don't know, it makes me feel better. It makes me feel prepared and ready to stream for my scrubbies. So that's why I do makeup. Also, it's fun. It's fun for me. Oh shit, I'm sorry. But as you can tell, I'm not very gentle with my skin because I don't have much time. I don't. And that's kind of my fault, but you know what, it's okay. Next step would be is that I will grab my concealer. I'll grab my concealer. So the concealer that I'm using is the 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte and Finish. I just put in the most important parts right here, right here, right here. Oh shit, wait, right here, right here. You know, yeah, oh no. Where all these, this is supposed to go. I need to wet it, but I won't because I don't have time. I don't have time. And so we're just gonna quickly do this. Not using the Beauty Blender how it's supposed to be used. I have a bad habit of that. But you know, time is of the essence. So, and then whatever I have left over on the brush, I'll put it on my eyelid. Okay, perfect. Oh. Okay, and now we gotta powder the face. It is called, this guy, get some powder. It's called the Halo Glow Setting Powder. I do that, and then I just put it all over my face. Probably a better way to do this, but this is the way I do it. Afterwards, I do my crease eye, so I take my concealer again. Since I have hooded eyelids and I tend to look down a lot on my screen when I play games, and I like to play around with eyeshadow a lot, I need to make a cut crease above my hooded eyelids so you guys can actually see my fucking eyes. Not my eyes, but my eyelid. So we do that and I see. And that way if I put any color, shimmer, depending how I feel that day, you guys would actually see it. It's actually crazy. You know, we'll do messy like that. And you see how like now kind of like gives me more eye. So we do that. We let that sit a little bit. And then next up is bronzer. Where the fuck is my bronzer? For palette, this is what I use to contour my face. make myself look snatch. You're supposed to pat it. Oh my god, I'm not really good as an artist, makeup artist. I just try to, oh shit, try to make myself look decent, not dead for stream, you know? So try to make myself look like I went to Dr. Miami, put it on my nose. I have a big snosh, and I still haven't figured out the best way to contour my nose, because you saw that bronzer? You didn't even see it. You didn't even see it on the screen. So it's really hard for me to do that, to be able to contour it, because you can't see it. I put a shit ton and you don't see it. So now I'm not putting bronzer because I look whitewashed. We don't want that because I'm a Latina. Some eyelids at the time. And then we just do that. Yeah. Perfect. Wow. You see it now. It brightens it up. And then I use this color and this color. And then I'm just gonna pop it right here. And you see, not really a huge difference. That's okay. In real life, it looks like it's way too much, but on the camera, it looks fine. Actually, I might keep this brown eyeliner. If I can diffuse it a little bit more, I'm gonna go with a darker pink. Oh, I'm gonna take that down here a little bit. Perfect, good enough. Eyebrows. I don't know how to do my eyebrows either. I don't know. You know what the issue is with me doing makeup now for streaming? Is that I don't know how to do real life makeup, because in real life, this makeup looks way too much. So it kind of messes up everything. We got that. Now we need blush. And I go ham on the blush. I put it underneath my eyes, over my nose, and right here. And then I put some on my forehead. Make myself look youthful because I'm old, I think. Get some clear eyebrow to make it in place, but I'll use this brown eyebrow to just take off a lot of excess because I don't want to make my eyebrows darker. I have naturally dark hair, but I want them to stay in place, which is pretty hard to do. There we go. It kind of makes it a little darker. So I just try to take off much off. Perfect. And now we could go, let's go over with the eyeliner. Yeah, let's go over with the eyeliner. There we go. And then we just go over it. I'm just gonna go over it with the brown we have here. There we go. As you can tell right now, my lashes, you don't even see them. They just go straight down. I'm not even gonna curl them because they don't curl. I don't know why they don't curl. They just don't. So we're just gonna suffer, but that's okay. I use the Pretty Doll lashes. This is my last one. I need to buy a whole new set, but this is Angela. It's a little bit dramatic, but I like it. It's really nice. They have like different ranges of styles, which I really like. Also, it gets shipped pretty fast, which I find it really important because I grow through lashes pretty quick. So they come out like this. Although I never know this is right, this is left, or am I supposed to flip it around? But I just do it this way. And I have very small eyes, so I can't, sometimes I do use the whole lash, but sometimes I just play around to see how I want it to look. And see, I want it to end right there. I want this all the way here. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cut off this. I'm gonna cut off like 3 chunks, because I have small eyes. And this is a new set, I like to bend it, and then we get my lash glue. And I put 3 points already on my eyelid. That way, so I'll put this right now, not the best at this. And then while it's getting sticky, I'll put on my eyelid for 3 points. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, just to help it stick. These pointy ones, I dry. And you're gonna see literally the huge difference it makes with lashes. I'm starting trying to like grow out my lashes, not wear as many lashes, but some days I want to wear lashes, but some days I want to get used to my natural beauty. But today's not that day. Right there. And voila! You see? Usually here is where I try to do my last touches. So look at my palette here. What am I missing? I'm missing lips. Yes, I am missing lips. So I need a lip liner. Oh. There. And now all we need to do is contour my nose a little bit more. This is getting tacky, so let's pop this on. Okay. Push it. Once again, fold a little bit over eyelid so it looks a little bit more. And then there's the eyelashes. Now let's contour the nose really quick a little bit. Once again, I don't know how to contour my nose. And we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna go on the sides. I sometimes hate doing nose contour. Okay, we're just gonna go over this with a shit ton and run here. And then we'll take the concealer, leftover concealer on the brush here, and then we'll just carve it out just a tiny bit. Like that. And then last step is I will take some more concealer and then try to get rid of this shadow to make my nose snatch. So I will just a little bit here, nothing too dramatic. And then some days I'm just really bad at contouring my nose, and then we just start all over again. And I think today is one of those days. Now we go here, blend it out, and I don't think that did anything, so we're just gonna bronze it up a little bit. I mean, good enough, you know, good enough. But I ran out of my freckle maker, which is this one. It's the Jason Wu one. And I like to put freckles, but I don't have much liquid in here, as you can tell, and I just literally just spam it all around like this, and then and then make some slight freckles. I love freckles. I have freckles by my tongue. And my mom has, she naturally has freckles, but I didn't get any. I just got them on my tongue. And I think that's a hate crime. So I'll take some of this, put it in my inner corner to brighten up my eye. Wow. And then under here. And then I just diffuse it out because it can be a little harsh. There. And then I'll take the remaining and put it on my nose. Top lip. I'll put it here where the highlight's supposed to be. And then I just blend this up. And then you sometimes run this problem where it's too much. And then yeah, this is how it looks on me. And then I just let my hair go. Rile it up. This is day 2 hair, so it's not gonna look amazing. And then I decide whether or not I would like to put my pigtails on, but this is what we end up with. Oh, and then with setting spray. I've been slowly using setting spray because they say it's wet, and I have the Milani Make It Last Dewy one, and then I try not to have my hair anywhere near it because it's sticky. So and then air it out, and then we're good. I got some in my hair. It's gonna get sticky in my hair now, but this is how we look like with makeup. Pretty easy, pretty simple. That's all I do. That's all I do. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. Try out these lashes from Pretty Doll Lash, and you can buy it through the shop by using lyviaxottv for 10% off if that's something you're interested, because I really like these lashes. I really like them. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Well guys, thank you so much. Have a good one. I love Scarabees, and keep being amazing. Bye!